The LG A12 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A12 for talk. So the Galaxy A12 is found right here on Straight Talk. It's been on every other prepaid carrier except for Straight Talk, but now Straight Talk has the A12 now. So if you ever need to get a budget smartphone, the Galaxy A12 is worth checking out. Like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so you will get what you pay for here. So it's $129.99. It's available on Blind. So this is my bit of the Galaxy A11 from last year. So yeah, so like I said, your turns out not to get that from person camera earpiece above that power and 9 keys, and that's all the phone there. On the very good side, 4 cameras, the camera flash, Samsung logo, and then it looks like it has this two-tone color design on the back. Looks like it has like a textured back on top and a soft matte finish on the bottom. So that'd be different. If and whatnot. The right side, I said, power and button keys do have a fingerprint sensor as well. That's your power button is fingerprint sensor. So yeah. Introducing the Galaxy A series. Connecting with the people and thanks your love is essential. So escaping those moments close at hand. Galaxy A12 uses had the multi-camera system at a fraction of the price, along with the stronger storage to fit all your favorite memories. With a long-lasting battery that charges up quickly, a beautifully vivid display, and a processor you can count on, Galaxy A12 is here to help you capture the awesome in the everyday. So let's define that front, right side and back. So you guys have your network. You guys have data to like VGN, Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, Wi-Fi 55.0. Dimensions are 5.94 inches height, 2.67 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth, 6.5 inch HD plus TFT LCD Infinity LED display. You guys get an 8 megapixel front facing camera. You guys get 4 cameras in the rear, 16 megapixel main camera. You guys also get a 5 megapixel camera, that's an ultra wide. And then you definitely get 2 main cameras, 675 megapixels, and then a 2 megapixel. Okay, now I'm kind of confused now. So that also a 16 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So not too bad. 34 hours of battery time there. Bluetooth 5.9, 5,000 mAh battery. The core processor, probably the MediaTek processor. I don't know what processor this one has. This has a GPS of 34 hours of talk time, 32 gigabytes of storage, 2 gigabytes of RAM expandable up to 1 terabyte via micro SD. So take advantage of that. What comes in the box is a Galaxy A12 smartphone, charger, battery which is embedded in the phone, activation card, service guide, quick start guide. So yeah. More features, processor, reliable processing power that can meet your life's demands, cameras with 4 cameras on the back and 1 in the front. Galaxy A12 usually the premium mobile camera excellence you crave. Storage, 32 gigabytes of built-in storage for your best pics and vids, and then some. Third is Galaxy A12 long-lasting fast charging battery is there, so you'll be ready to capture every precious moment. So yeah. So you guys are able to get a backup phone for you, a fresh one for your kid or whatever. The Galaxy A12 is a nice looking phone. Like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so they keep it in mind. It has I think it's Android 10 on it. I think Android 10, I believe. So not too bad, so not bad for a budget phone, very nice looking phone. Pretty decent specs. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so you guys do get what you pay for here. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or a fresh one for your kid or whatever, the Galaxy A12 is worth taking a look at here. So, yeah, so there you guys have it. Straight Talk now finally has the Galaxy A12. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.